In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we welcome all our elders to the most recent program arranged by BWDO, namely BWDO Senior Citizens Engagement Program. It is a program, a valuable initiative that recognizes the dignity, experience, and contribution of our elder community members. It provides a platform for senior citizens to stay connected, share their wisdom, participate in social activities, and feel respected and valued. Such programs help reduce loneliness, promote aging, and strengthen intergenerational bonds. The program theme is a wonderful step to bring happiness, respect, and active participation into lives of senior citizens. It reflects compassion, social responsibility, and respect for people who build our communities, create a sense of belonging, and give senior citizens an opportunity to remain active and connected. Engaged elders is not only about support, it is about honoring their knowledge, memories, and lifelong contribution. We openly invite senior citizens across Karimabad to join this initiative, enjoy the life, and cherish the moments that PWDO provided in this small program. We are pleased to announce this beautiful program at AFC Center, Aminabad, Burongshal, Karimabad, aimed at engaging elder community in diverse activities in line with our commitment to inclusivity at the community level. We extend a warm welcome to all the seniors in Karimabad, Hunza to actively participate in and derive maximum benefit from this initiative. Delhi AFC Center for Elders will remain open from 12 to 1 o'clock. The program components include daily storytelling sessions where each participant will share a story, 30 minutes daily walk along the Berber Water Channel, online health consultations with experts on nutrition, health and hygiene, and maintenance of daily routine, traditional indoor games and live football matches, soccer, surprise trips to the nearby attractions such as Baltit Fort, Atabad Lake, Altit Fort, and many more. A complimentary one-day medical camp for all the participants. Screening of traditional Hunza video archive, traditional videos on YouTube or the social media, which is available at the same venue. Elderly Activity Program offers seniors structured opportunities to stay physically active, mentally engaged, and socially connected.